Let's begin. So most of the time we are getting the data from the our manager, stakeholders, clients, and we need to make the decision based on the data. We need to make the analyze. So before the analyze data, we need to clean data, right? So how to clean data? I will give you some function with example so you can do easier way. Okay, so let's begin. So first here you can see on my screen the sample data, and the first tip of this video is how to create the sample data. So simply go to the chat GPT, yeah, cloud. Okay, cloud.ai. You can see cloud. Okay, simply write the prompt. The for example I wrote the uh, prompt, the create the sample data list name of the employee with the duplicate names for Excel, and I got the data. You can see. Okay, and simply the copy here, copy option is here. Simply copy and paste in your Excel sheet. So you get the sample data. So whatever you function you want to the practice on practice, so you can the create the sample data from the chat GPT and cloud, and simply you can do practice. Okay, so this is your the first tip. Let's move the our data cleaning work practice. So here you can see on my screen the employee's name, and some name is the duplicate. For example, the John Smith is here, and the little v is here. So here you can see the again the John Smith. Okay, and the Sarah Johnson. So here you can see the Sarah Johnson. So that means there is a duplicate values. So question is how to remove the duplicate values. Yeah, how to get the unique values from the this data. Okay, so remove the duplicate, for we use the unique function. Okay, here we use unique. So unique function. Okay, the first argument is the array. Simply select the range. So we select this range, shift down arrow. Okay, now for back you don't need to scroll, yeah, up and down page. You simply press the Ctrl Backspace. This is your the second tip. Okay, so keep remember, it's really helpful. Simply bracket close and hit enter, and you can see your unique values is here. Okay, now if you want to the do you want to the work on the this data, but the formula is working is here and you don't know how to remove this, so simply select, okay, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl Shift V, and that's it. Now here you can see the in formula bar you can see formula is removed, so your data is converted into the value. Now you can work on according your requirement. So this is your third tip. Okay, so this is the first our data cleaning with unique function. Let's move the next. So here you can see on my screen the some data, employee ID, first name, last name, department, email address. And here you can see the John, Sarah name. Here you can see, but is not the correct form. Some is, some letter is small, some capital, some middle. It's not looking the proper, right? And sometimes the that you can see here the space also is here. You can see. So with this the space, whenever we use the any function, so we got the error due to this space. If you ever you use the function and you got the error, so you can understand very well. Okay, so so two things we need to remove this. The first is space, remove space, and second is capitalize the first letter of every name. Okay, so let's start. Equal trim. So trim function is the remove the space, extra space. Okay, so select. Now the our second work is the capitalize the first letter. So simply we use the proper function. Okay, and simply select this range. Shift and down arrow and bracket close two times because here we use two function trim and the proper, and simply hit enter and Ctrl plus A, and here centralize. You can alignment set, you can the border, and now our data is ready and clean. See, okay, so here you can see our data is clean properly. See, okay, so when I the click here, because the is removed, because the this is the this data into the formula. Here you can see the function formula bar. Here you can see. Okay, so first remove this formula. Okay, select Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl Shift V. Okay, so here you can see your data converted into the value, and now you can do anything with this data. And here you can see the space is removed, and the first letter is capitalized. Okay, so trim and proper both function with you can the clean data. Let's move the third substitute. So here you can see the data is full name, department, and the phone number, email, and the salary. One by one we understand the substitute function with the different angles, with different examples. Okay, so substitute what does substitute the replace the new any new you can find the replace text simply with the new old. So let's I show you with example simply. Okay, so first here you can see the full name. Here you can see the hyphen sign, John Smith hyphen you can see, and here Michelle, here you can see the hyphen. So let's remove the hyphen with substitute. Why we use substitute? Simply the find that may find mean what we want to remove. So I want to remove the hyphen and the replace with space, yeah, whatever you want to add the sign. Okay, so equal substitute. Okay, now the first is the text argument. His argument text, all text, and the new text simply. Okay, so text, select this text, comma, all text. All text mean what we want to remove. Okay, yeah, replace. So double quotation, type hyphen, double quotation, okay, comma, new text. What we want to add replace of hyphen. Okay, so double quotation, space, double quotation, bracket close, and hit enter. And here you can see, and the function drag it over here. One moment. Okay, so now you can see the hyphen is removed. Okay, let's move the another example. Equal substitute here. What I do, you can see the underscore human resource between. You can see underscore. Okay, so we remove the underscore. So select this text, comma, all text. So simply double quotation, underscore, double quotation, comma, new text. So double quotation, space, double quotation. You can add the any sign if you want. Otherwise, done. And simply the target formula over. See, human resource between the underscore is sign is removed. Let's move the. So here you can see the phone number. Phone number, you can see the two things here. The bracket close and bracket open and the bracket close. Yeah, you can say the parenthesis. Okay. So parenthesis we want to remove from the phone number. So how can? So here what is the first thing you have to know? Uh, we need to remove the two things here, the open parenthesis and the close parenthesis. So that's why we use the double substitute. Okay, so first substitute and again substitute function. Select this text, comma, now double quotation, open parenthesis, double quotation, comma, double quotation two times and bracket, yeah, you can say close parenthesis. Okay, comma, again the double quotation, close parenthesis, double quotation, comma, double quotation, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And you can see the parentheses are removed. See, so what I do, what I did. So this the first the open parenthesis replaced with the blank. Okay, and the second closing parenthesis with the replaced with blank. Okay, so we have the two conditions. That's why we use the double substitute. Okay, let's move other. So here email address you can see the Jennifer underscore. So what? How remove? We replace with the dot. Okay, substitute and select this text. Simply double quotation underscore double quotation comma double quotation type dot double quotation bracket close and hit enter and formula take it over. Okay, and the last our salary. Here you can see the Jennifer dot Wilson. So you can compare here. And the last is the salary salary. So here we need to again the two conditions. The first the dollar sign and the comma. Okay, so let's remove equal substitute. So we have the two replacements. So that's why here we use the two substitute. So this text, okay, comma, double quotation, dollar sign, double quotation, comma, two times double double quotation, okay, and bracket, yeah, parenthesis, comma, okay, double quotation. This time we type the comma because the 45 comma, okay, that's why, okay, comma, double quotation two times, bracket close and hit enter. And here you can see the So 45 dollar sign and the comma removed with substitute function. Okay, so that's it about this video. So in this video we learned how to get the sample data from the ChatGPT or Cloud. I shared about the three tips, okay, and the three most functions for to help the data cleaning. The first is the unique, second is the trim and the proper function, and the last is the substitute function with the different examples. So I hope this video is helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in next video.